Practice your good shots. Good job. Yep. Yo, oh, good try. Yep. Back up. Get your long range shot on. Then you gotta learn to try to do it with two hands. Huh? Yeah, hold on. You gonna try? Get the Iowa ball. Get the Iowa ball and you try too. Shoot it. You guys shoot around. She has it.
I got 8 and you got 0.
Well, if she just started, you can't. If you're gonna. Yeah. Good job. You're shooting bricks though, kid. Good shot. Good job.